If Lucidchart is showing a network error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually comes from browser cache, extensions, VPNs, network restrictions, or even a broken document file. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart in an incognito or private browsing window. On Chrome, you can do this by opening the menu and selecting incognito mode. Then sign in and try loading the diagram again. If Lucidchart works normally in incognito, that usually means the issue is coming from your browser cache, cookies, or an extension that is interfering with the site. If incognito mode fixes the problem, the next step is to disable your browser extensions one by one. Start with ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any security extension you recently installed. These can sometimes prevent Lucidchart from connecting properly. After turning off an extension, reload Lucidchart and check whether the network error is gone. This helps you pinpoint the exact extension causing the conflict. Now let's check your network connection. Lucidchart needs a stable internet connection to communicate with its servers, so if your connection is weak or unstable, the app may fail to load. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network, restarting your router, or testing the app on a mobile hotspot. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and refresh the page. In many cases, VPNs or corporate firewalls can block the connection Lucidchart needs. Next, clear your browser cache and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 to force a full reload. If you want to inspect logs, you can also open the console with Ctrl plus Shift plus J. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R for a hard refresh or Command plus Option plus J for logs. After that, go into your browser settings and clear cached images and files. Old cached data can sometimes cause Lucidchart to keep loading an outdated or broken version of the page. If the error still appears, check your browser itself. Lucidchart works best in Google Chrome, so make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. If you're already on Chrome and still having trouble, try Firefox as a backup browser, especially if Chrome is experiencing memory issues or crashing while loading the diagram. Sometimes the browser environment itself is the problem, not Lucidchart. Another important fix is to see whether the issue is only happening in one document. Go back to your Lucidchart dashboard, find the broken file, hover over the document thumbnail, click the three-dot menu, and choose Make a Copy. Open the duplicated version and see if it loads correctly. If the copy works, that usually means the original file may be corrupted or contain something causing the loading error. In that case, working from the copy can save you a lot of time. If you've tried all of those steps and the error is still there, the issue may be related to your network, browser configuration, or account permissions. At that point, it can help to log out, sign back in, and try again from a clean browser session. You can also test Lucidchart on another device to see whether the problem is specific to your computer. So to recap, the best fixes are: test in incognito mode, disable extensions, check your internet and VPN, clear cache and hard refresh, update or switch browsers, and duplicate the broken document if needed. One of those steps usually solves the Lucidchart network error quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.